Morning, Scotty.
Good morning, guys.
Just purring like kitten, huh?
Carburetor's done. Bobby rebuilt that last, and I mean, Bobby, in my opinion, really is the carburetor guru. That man can breathe on his carburetor.
Sounds beautiful. Not smoking like how it was before. Doesn't smell super rich.
No, it turned out the accelerator pump was leaking and something else. I'm not a carburetor guy. I'm not. I'll be the first person to admit it. I look at a carburetor and it's brain surgery. Bobby looks at it and goes, yeah, give me 5 minutes.
Exactly.
But I mean, this thing just, so much better. Do me a favor, guys, I know I'm stupid close.
Straight back. Yeah, you got plenty of room.
Okay.
Plenty of room.
Oh my God, just so much nicer. The brakes feel right now. The steering's good. Oh yeah.
It's just beautiful. It's a little cold. Yes, sir.
And it turns out we didn't like the feel of the brake pedal. We just didn't. Something just wasn't quite right. And apparently we had some stuck air in the lines. So we rebled everything again, and now it's actually really, really good. It feels so much better, nice and tight like it's supposed to be.
Well,
an actual brake pedal.
Can't wait till Bobby gets here so he can take it for his test drive.
Yep. And then there's the exhaust system. And that's it, guys.
That's it for this one.
And I think we're doing tires. We haven't heard back from the owner as of yet. But yeah, just so much nicer. Okay, guys.
All right. You guys saw Bernsey and Scotty rebled the brakes, got them adjusted a little better. I'm out driving it, trying it out. I still got to do the exhaust, but she's running nice. Ooh, the brakes are better. I would like that pedal up a little more, but I think I can just adjust the push rod and we should be good to go. Because it feels really good. It stops really nice now that it has four-wheel disc. It stops way better than it did before. Oh yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, way better, isn't it? Yeah, so we're gonna probably adjust the push rod length just a hair tomorrow, and Scotty is going to do, of course can't shoot the back window when, oh yeah, there it is. He's got it all ready. He's gonna try to re-silicone that tomorrow, see if it'll hold. But we're getting close. We finish this up. Oh yeah, I just adjust that push rod. We're styling now. Yeah, so we do that. I gotta finish the exhaust up, and she can go home on the 27th like he wanted.